Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and for sure, one of the definite cons of cat ownership is the litter box. But I found that this Suzzipaws litter box has really helped to cut down on the mess and on the odor. Every cat person knows how picky and fussy and finicky cats can be, so I was really happy to see that the cat in my house immediately went to this litter box as soon as it was set up. Probably my favorite feature about this litter box is the high plastic sides that attach to the stainless steel base. Once cats get in that litter box, they are really not the most careful creatures. So without these high sides, I know that litter would be going everywhere. It comes with a little foot platform that has open slats in it, so this even catches more litter when the cat is going in and out of the litter box. The metal construction of the litter box feels really sturdy and durable. It even came with a great litter scoop to use with it. All I had to get was the litter for the litter box. In my opinion, this Suzzipaws litter box is definitely one that's going to last a long time. But that's just my point of view.